Your body is an engine that never shuts off, and like any engine, it produces waste. But instead of an exhaust pipe, you have a high-precision chemical filtration plant, your kidneys. Forget just going to the bathroom. Excretion is a constant, microscopic process. Your two kidneys filter your entire blood supply about 40 times every single day. Inside each are a million tiny filters called nephrons. Think of them as microscopic bouncers at a club. They kick out the waste, like toxic urea and excess salts, but pull all the good stuff, like glucose and water, back inside. This leftover waste mix becomes urine. Your lungs and skin also help, getting rid of carbon dioxide and sweat. But a clean engine needs a frame to move. That's your musculoskeletal system. Your 206 bones are far from dead weight. They're a living framework that supports you, protects your vital organs, and even manufactures your red blood cells inside the bone marrow. Long bones in your arms handle weight. Flat bones like your skull act as armor. Now the engine itself, your muscles. They have one simple, crucial rule. They can only pull, never push. This is why they must work in pairs. To bend your arm, your bicep contracts, pulling the bone up while the tricep relaxes. To straighten it, your tricep contracts, pulling it back down. They are antagonists, locked in a perfect tug of war. So when you lift a drink, your brain sends a signal. The bicep contracts, pulling on a tough cable called a tendon. The tendon yanks on your forearm bone, which pivots at the elbow, a perfect hinge joint. All of this is stabilized by ligaments connecting bone to bone. It's a beautiful piece of biological engineering happening with every single move you make.